Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared a problem which is logical problem, and you probably can find this type of problems on your job interviews or when you pass entry exams for example, Bachelor's of Science. Here is a problem. X introduce Y saying he is the husband of the granddaughter of the father of my father. How Y and X related? You may stop video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So let's start analyzing this problem, and also we are going to build a pedigree, so it's very good practice problem for building pedigrees. So X introduced Y saying he is a husband. So he is a husband, that means that this have to be a male. And in order to be a husband, this male should have a wife, right? So this couple represent wife and husband. So he is a husband of the granddaughter of the father of my father. So this female also granddaughter. This female here should have parents and grandparents in order to be granddaughter. So she has a mother and a father also has a mother and a father. Now take a look. This female is granddaughter of this male, and she is a daughter of this male. Now take a look. He is a husband of the granddaughter of the father of my father. Father of my father. That means that person who is speaking have to be brother of this female. Father of my father is going to be this male here. So he is a male who is speaking. This male is father of my father, he is referring, but at the same time he is going to be a grandfather of this female, and she is going to be a granddaughter. This have to be person X, and this have to be person Y. So how X and person Y related? Person Y is going to be a husband of person X sister. So he is going to be a brother-in-law. And this is answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.